How I saved over $40,000 by 20, part 4. So, started out when I was at home, hauling wood, went to the grocery store, then was working 2 jobs between grocery store, Simply 03, then I went full-time at Simply 03. So that's where we're at now. So basically, I did full-time at Simply 03 for about a year, but also I was doing freelance video editing. Then I bought a course on how to sell on Amazon. At this point, I had about $11,000 saved because I didn't really spend money on a lot of things. I spent it on the bare necessities and a little bit of entertainment, but nothing more than that. Once I started selling on Amazon, I had 2 incomes coming in. I had my full-time income from the company, from Simply 03, as well as some side money from Amazon coming in. When I'd been selling on Amazon for about 6 months, I was making enough to go full-time. So that's when I went full-time on Amazon. And that is what I've been doing ever since, as well as doing freelance video editing still, and I can charge more for that. And I do business consulting and marketing consulting. So altogether, from all of that, over the past 4 years, but the bulk of that would have come in the last year and a half. That's how I've been able to save over 40,000 by 20. All this to say is that you can do this too. I started really simple, and this is only the start of my journey. I just turned 21 now, and I feel like I have so much in front of me that I still want to do. So you can do this. Like, share, and follow for more, and curiosity does not kill.